The 7-inch wireless CarPlay screen by Audio offers seamless connectivity with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enhancing your driving experience through easy access to navigation, music, and hands-free communication. Designed for compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, this device installs effortlessly without the need to alter your existing dashboard, ensuring your car's radio functions remain intact. Equipped with a high-definition touchscreen and a backup camera, it provides real-time GPS navigation and a safe parking experience, even in harsh weather conditions. The screen features wireless mirroring for both Android and iOS devices, with an upgraded 2.5D glass touchscreen that delivers vibrant colors and improved touch sensitivity for a superior user interface. It offers flexible audio output choices, allowing you to broadcast sound through the built-in Bluetooth speaker, an aux cable, or your car's FM stereo system, ensuring high-quality audio playback. With numerous interfaces and excellent customer support, the device includes USB and SD card options, rear camera integration, and customizable settings, catering to diverse user needs.